Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about adaptive radiation. So in adaptive radiation, what you have is an original population that has all the same species, and then thanks to new niches that open up, the species is able to become different species because of the environmental pressures that are in each of the different niches. So in this example, we can see that there was one population of this common ancestor of bird, and this bird had a particular beak shape. Well, once the new environment niches became available, different birds began filling in the different niches, and their beak shapes and sizes changed in response to the environmental pressures. And in this case, it was what they ate. So birds that ate insects developed much sharper pointed beaks, especially compared to the common ancestor. And birds that developed that were in areas where seeds were available developed much thicker based beaks in order to crack open the seeds. The ones that ate cactus seeds and cactus plants also took on different shaped beaks, and the ones that ate buds and fruits also had different shapes. So each of these beak has a different shape due to what the birds are eating in their environment, and that is going to eventually lead to new species. Adaptive radiation is going to lead to divergent evolution, which is the opposite to convergent evolution. And with this divergent evolution, since the environments are different, the shapes and the adaptations of the organisms are going to be different. And in this divergent evolution, it's going to lead to what are known as homologous structures. Homologous structures have different function, but arise from the same tissue. So let's take a look at an example of homologous structures. Here you have different colored bones, and what they're trying to show you here is how the same tissue, which is the bones of the hand, have changed based on the needs and environmental pressures that the organism is going through. So in the case of humans, we have a specialized structure for grasping or holding on to things. But in dogs, that same structure is used for walking. And so the bones may take on a slightly different shape based on what the needs of the organism are. So in the case of the birds, because they're not going to be using those same bones for grasping or walking, they take on this different elongated shape for their wing. And in the case of the whale, their flippers still have the bones, but you can see that they're much larger to be able to encompass the large flipper that the whale's going to use in swimming. Now, one of the things that's important to mention about divergent evolution is with divergent evolution, you can have a recent common ancestor, whereas convergent evolution is not evidence for a recent common ancestor. That's it for adaptive radiation. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.